Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and this little boy here is my helper, Gabe. Yeah? Your mommy's helper? Oh! Yeah. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip French toast. I love this recipe. Gabe loves it. He loves chocolate, so this is right up his alley. So I'm excited to share it with you. Super easy. I actually buy this bread at Aldi, but I'm sure so many other supermarkets will have it. It's just a lot cheaper for me at Aldi than everywhere else. So I'm excited to share it with you. I know you're going to love it as much as we do. So enjoy. Can you say bye? Bye.